Hi everyone, my name is Volodymyr Karnaukh. I'm a psychic scientist and certified professional in the science of bioenergy informatics. Bioenergy informatics is the study of the connections and interactions between the human mind, body, and spirit. Human bioenergy itself is what carries the signals of information that are transmitted and received by the different layers of the human bioform. It is well known by scientists and healers that the nervous and endocrine systems are an overlay of the human energetic system, and that the physiology and health of the body are highly dependent on the functioning of these systems. We believe that it is very important in our work to use modern technologies that have been created, tested, and verified by scientists. These technologies are able to bring us to a greater level of understanding of the health of individuals and how it is based on and formed by our energetic system. We use an innovative technology that is a brand new holistic approach to human energy health diagnostics. This technology evaluates and analyzes the impact of the external information from our environment by testing the energy levels and flow in a person's meridians. This is accomplished with a special tool that measures the electroconductivity of the bioactive acupuncture points on the hand. This tool is connected to a device that sends this information to be analyzed by a special software program. This information is then interpreted into a diagnostic 3D color model of the human auric field. This is how we can understand how the multidimensional energy field is formed from the activity of the chakras, how the chakras are functioning, and how they determine the health of the entire human bioenergetic form. It also demonstrates the blockages and disturbances in the energy system so that we can evaluate the nature and intensity of energetic pathologies and its causes and effects on physiology. Basically, we are evaluating how the information in our environment impacts our energetic system and its effect over time on our physical body. Each person reacts to events in life differently, so we can evaluate how the information affects the energetic system of each person individually. This also allows us to predict and prevent psycho-emotional and psychosomatic diseases and to choose the most optimal healing strategy for each person. We are also able to evaluate the effectiveness of different healing strategies over time, and it enables us to see the changes in a healing process after each new method is used. This also allows us to choose the most optimal healing modality. This unique technique is called crystal and considers a person to be like a crystal, consisting of various facets that are interdependent on each other. So we must look at the entire system that underlies the physical form in order to facilitate effective and multifaceted healing. So we invite you to our healing center to experience this unique way of evaluating the state of your bioenergetic system to determine the underlying causes of any health issues to prevent future psychosomatic ailments from forming and to receive specific and individual energy informational healing based on your diagnostic results. We are also lecturing, presenting and demonstrating this special technology in tandem with our quantum unity intuitive energy therapy at the NewLife Expo on March 11 and 12 on this year at Florida's Deerfield Beach Doubletree Hilton Resort. So get your tickets today. The link is provided in a description to this video. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you soon.